Paragraph number 5, which is continued. All the same, in this division, it was impossible to avoid the question of minorities being in one dominant means states, or other. Now that was unavoidable, there is no other solution. Now what shall we do? Now, if we want to make this great state of Pakistan happy and prosperous, we should wholly means entirely or fully, and solely means only, concentrate on the well-being, means prosperity of the people and especially of the masses. Masses means a large number of people and the poor. So Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah did not even neglect the rights of minorities. When he talked about the rights of majority, he also talked about the rights of minorities when they are living in the dominant of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah says that when minorities, when they are living in the dominant or state of Pakistan, they would be given equal rights. They would be given proper rights. So it is the responsibility of the citizens of Pakistan, whether they are Muslims in majority or whether they are non-Muslims in minorities. They have to work for the prosperity, progress, and well-being of Pakistan, no matter they belong to minority or majority. The need is they have to work together for the state of Pakistan.